Hello traders, hello investors. How are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today AMD is dropping minus 2% right now. We are gonna analyze AMD today. This movement is quite understandable if you ask me. The market is a little bit nervous. SPY is dropping minus 0.62%, QQQ more than 1%. So okay, the volatility is increasing a little bit as well. However, we still see many interesting technical signs, technical movements on AMD. And in this video, I will update the most important key points for us to keep your eyes on in the next couple of days, in the next week, all right? So I think you guys are going to like this video. In that case, remember, click on the like button to support this channel. And if you're new around here, subscribe because, well, first, it is because it is free. Second, I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on AMD, Tesla, NIO, NVIDIA, Apple, and many other stocks. And consider subscribing my newsletters. For instance, the Finance Hydra portfolio. It is my personal portfolio that I share with you guys every single week. This is from August 5. This is an old report, but still, this is how it looks like. I always share a few insights, the recommendations. I give you guys some details about the volatility, about the diversification, and my personal performance. My performance is 100% public. Click on the link in the description of this video. This is my website, and you can have access to every single one of our past trades since 2021. I think you will be pleased with our performance. Now, AMD, back to AMD. In the daily chart, we see that it is losing strength after we broke free from this descending channel. Look at this descending channel, how amazing it is. We can easily put that on a TA book, right? I mean, we see it in a crystal clear bear trend, and recently we broke it. This month we broke the upper purple trend line over here, and right now, okay, we are losing strength. However, the bias is still bullish. AMD could drop all the way down to this blue area, and I already mentioned this on our past video on AMD. We could easily drop within this blue rectangle over here, and fine, AMD would still remain bullish. However, there are some interesting key points we should keep our eyes on that could indicate a sharper pullback. First, if you analyze the S&P, we are near a top level, and we are doing a top sign as well. We are just under a resistance. Any pullback to the EMA or to the 415 down here, it's totally expected, even plausible, even desirable, because a pullback in a bull trend is usually an opportunity to buy. QQQ is doing the exact same thing. A pullback is 100% possible, plausible, desirable. And how this is going to affect AMD? If you look at AMD right now, it is already a little bit weaker than the indices, but we have the EMA as a support level. The EMA is one of the key support levels we should keep our eyes on right now, because by losing the EMA, I think AMD can easily retest the $91 area down here, okay, the previous support level. If we analyze the 1 hour chart, we see a classic symmetrical triangle going on. This point is a crystal clear resistance for AMD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, nearly 13 times over here. And we have this point as a support level. By losing this purple trend line, which is quite close, by the way, to the 21 EMA in the daily chart, by losing this dual support level in two different time frames, I do believe AMD is going to retest 91.58 again, which was previously a resistance level for AMD on July 21. Okay, so this point is our technical support level, our next support level to work with if AMD loses this descending triangle downwards and loses the 21 EMA as well in the daily chart. So far, we are still above both support levels, so okay, AMD is not necessarily bearish right now. It is just a little bit weak, but it's not necessarily bearish. If the indices trigger their pullbacks, then probably AMD is going to trigger this bearish structure, this bearish scenario we are talking about, and this is it. I think by the moment we retest the $91 and react properly, I think it's going to be just an opportunity to buy because AMD is still in a bull trend. Now, but Nathan, what if AMD breaks this symmetrical triangle upwards? Well, if that's the case, I do believe AMD is going to break the previous resistance around 104, $104, the previous resistance in the daily chart over here as well, and it will probably trigger another bullish pivot point and seek the next resistance at 109 over here. I'm gonna put this line on our chart here. This is the next resistance we should work with on AMD. Nathan, you are describing two different scenarios. What do you think it's going to happen? I think we're going to see a downwards breakout and we're going to retest the next support level. Again, I wouldn't rely too much on what I think it's going to happen because honestly the odds are almost 50-50 over here. But what I want to happen, which is a different question as well, well, I want to see AMD correcting a little bit more. Because in a bull trend, pullbacks are just opportunities to buy. In the weekly chart, we see that we broke this descending channel just after a retest of the previous support level at $73. And we have been going up too much since then, right? Let me see. I think since the past support level, we are going up 37% roughly right now. So yes, we are going up a lot. So to me, a pullback is desirable. Is this a reversal, bearish reverse indicator? No, it's not. It means AMD is going to fail or, I don't know, go to bankruptcy. That's not the case. I think a pullback is just a normal pullback, a natural movement in a bull trend. And to me, this blue area is the most important support level for us to work with. Any bullish candlestick pattern between inside this area, I think it's going to be just an opportunity, a very good opportunity to buy AMD because we are buying in a support area and because the risk reward ratio will be quite attractive at this time. See how AMD is losing strength, but the volume is decreasing as well. This is quite interesting. It is telling us that this is not necessarily a sell-off, just AMD losing its momentum. It is not a reversal sign, it is not a bearish sign, it is just a pullback sign. And I think that's great for AMD. Either way, let's keep our eyes open at the EMA in the daily chart and at this structure, this symmetrical triangle in the 1 hour chart as well. To whatever side it breaks, I think the next movement will be quite interesting. Did you subscribe to this channel yet? I mean, are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber? Seriously, what the hell is wrong with you? Subscribe this channel. Subscribe the market, the weekly recommendation newsletter, my personal portfolio, which you will be quite pleased with my performance. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow. Farewell.